Repost an Instagram post. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to repost an Instagram post, whether it's from a friend or a business. I'll show you step by step, so let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram application and find the app or find the post that you want to repost, but make sure that you're logged into the account where you want to be reposting. Now let's say this is the post that we want to repost. Now what we need to do is tap on the share icon and click on add to story. Now as you can see, we have a post that is another person's or another post that we are going to repost. Now simply tap on your story, and like that your post will be reposted in your story.